Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I will show you how to configure Multiarea OSPF version 2. First of all, let's read the instructions. Step 1 is configure OSPF version 2 on router 1 with a process ID of 1 and the router ID of 1.1.1.1. Okay, let's go to the CLI of router 1. Enable conft router OSPF with process ID 1, and here we have router ID of 1.1.1. Okay. Next step, advertise each directly connected network of OSPF version 1 on router 1. So here we have 3 networks. Let's write it down here. Network 10.1.1.0 0.0.0 255 with area 0, and then second network and third network. Three with area 0. Okay, next step is repeat steps above for router 2 and router 3. Okay, then we go to the router 2, enable configure terminal, and here we have router OSPF with process ID 1 and router ID, and here we need to write 2.2.2 and 2, and directly connected networks. Here we have 10.2.1.0 with wildcard mask this 0.0.0 and 255. Oh, and with area 0. Area 0. And also network network 192.168 10 and 3 and 10 and 0 with wildcard mask of 3 and with area 0, and one more network Okay, then we go to the router 3. Router OSPF 1. Router ID is 3.3.3.3. And here we have networks. This network, .2.0 is wildcard mask, and 255. And here is area 2. Here this network and this network are in area 2. So we need to write it just like this. Also like this. And also the third network that is in area 0. Okay. Here we have 10 and 4. 0, 0 and 3 with area of 0. Okay, let's have a look on this. Here we have completion 80 of 80. Okay, let's verify connectivity of each of the OSPF areas. From router 1, ping each of the following remote devices. Okay, router 1. Let's do ping. Ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, here we have successfully ping. And let's ping to the second address. It is 2.2. Here we have also success. Okay, the third address 10.2.1.2. Yeah, also success. Use show commands to examine the current OSPF operations. Okay, show IP protocols. Protocols. Here we have the information about protocols, and here is a routing protocol OSPF. In this router, ID is 1.1.1.1, and this is directly connected networks. Show IP route. Here we have all the routes that in our router table, and these routes with routes which came with OSPF. Next, show IP OSPF database. And here we have information about OSPF, like areas, IDs, area 0 and area 1. Next, we have show IP OSPF interface. Here we have interface 0L000, and it is up. This is the IP address of this port, and it is using area. It is on area 0. Port ID is 1. Router ID is this one. And this is also the information about routing protocol. Okay, next one is show IP OSPF neighbor. And here we have that our OSPF have neighbor 2.2.2.2. This is the router 2, and this one and this one are routers in this cloud. Okay, reflection questions. Which routers are internal routers? All the routers right here, router 1, router 2, and router 3 are internal routers. Which routers are backbone routers? Backbone router is a router 2 because it is in area 0, only in area 0. Which routers are area border routers? Router 1 and router 3 is area border routers because they are located like in the border of area 0 and area 2. Okay, which routers are autonomous system routers? Here we don't have autonomous system routers. Like this 3 is not autonomous, and autonomous routers can be routers in the areas like these routers. Which routers are generating Type 1 LSA. Type 1 LSA generating all the routers, like router 1, router 2, and router 3. Which routers are generating Type 2 LSA? Type none, because there isn't an autonomous system boundary routers. And autonomous system boundary router is used to connect external routing domains. So here we don't have type 3 and type 4, 5 LSA. Maybe here, and here we have these types. How many inter-area routers does each router have? Let's look in the table. Show IP route OSPF. So here we have that inter-area, we have two routes. And the last question is, why would this usually be an ISPR in this type of network? ISPR is used to connect external routing domains. And here Packet Tracer scores 80 points. Each of the reflection questions is worth 2 points. This is the end of this lab work. Thanks for the attention. I hope you like this. Please subscribe and put thumbs up. And if you have questions, please make sure you write it on the comments, and I'll try to answer you. Bye.